Hello everyone, welcome to the library class. The main objective of today's class is to discuss an interesting story along with its reading, new words and cross questions. Kids, do you know that stories play a vital role in the growth and development of us? The books that we read and the characters that we get to know from these books become our good friends. The books are a useful source of information, and good reading skills are important for our success in life. Kids, in this class, I will narrate you the story Two Best Friends from your library book. This is a story about a crow and a hare. Both of them were best friends. The crow lived on the branch of a tree, and the hare lived at the foot of the tree in a cozy hole. The crow used to guide the hare about the danger that comes towards him. There was also a jackal who lived in that forest. He had been eyeing on the hare. One day, the jackal sat outside the hole as he wanted to eat the hare. But the crow understood the plan of the jackal. He immediately alarmed the hare about the danger by cawing loudly. His loud cawing attracted several other crows who joined the cawing. All the crows swooped down on the jackal. They all pecked at him and wounded him badly. The jackal ran away and pledged to never come back. The moral of the story is a friend in need is a friend indeed. Now I will discuss difficult words of this story. First word is huge. Huge means big. B-I-G, big. Next word is cozy. Cozy means warm. W-A-R-M, warm. Next word is guided. Guided means direct. D-I-R-E-C-T, direct. Next word is predator. Predator means meat eater animal. M-E-A-T, meat. E-A-T-E-R, eater, animal. A-N-I-M-A-L, meat eater animal. Next word is feast. Feast means a large meal. A-L-A-R-G-E, large, meal. M-E-A-L, meal, a large meal. Next word is wandering. Wandering means stroll. S-T-R-O-L-L, stroll. Next word is immediately. Immediately means at once. At O-N-C-E, once, at once. Next word is cautioned. Cautioned means alarmed. A-L-A-R-M-E-D, alarmed. Next word is prey. Prey means animal hunted for food. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal, hunted. H-U-N-T-E-D, hunted, for. F-O-R, for food. F-O-O-D, animal hunted for food. Next word is seek. Seek means find. F-I-N-D, find. Next word is plan. Plan means an idea. A-N-N-I-D-E-A, an idea. Next word is attracted. Attracted means fascinated. F-A-S-C-I-N-A-T-E-D, fascinated. Next word is urged. Urged means influenced. I-N-F-L-U-E-N-C-E-D, influenced. Next word is swooped. Swooped means pounced. P-O-U-N-C-E-D, pounced. Next word is pegged. Pegged means to strike with the beak. T-O-2, strike. S-T-R-I-K-E, strike, with. W-I-T-H, with. The T-H the beak. B-E-A-K beak, to strike with the beak. Next word is chased. Chased means to run after. T-O-2 R-U-N run after. A-F-T-E-R to run after. Next word is wounding. Wounding means hurt. H-U-R-T hurt. Next word is severely. Severely means badly. B-A-D-L-Y badly. Now kids, let's start reading the story. Once there was a huge tree near a village. Kids, underline the word huge right over there, big. B-I-G, big. There lived two best friends, the crow on the branches of the tree and a hare at the foot of the tree. In his cozy hole. Kids, underline the word cozy right over there, warm. W-A-R-M, warm. They were very close friends and often moved out together. The crow guided the hare. Kids, underline the word guided right over there, direct. D-I-R-E-C-T, direct. For any predator coming towards its direction. Now kids, underline the word predator right over there, meat eater animal. M-E-A-T, meat eater. E-A-T-E-R, eater. Animal. A-N-I-M-A-L, meat eater animal. In these lines, the writer had told us about a hare and a crow. They were best friends. The crow lived on the branch of the tree and the hare lived at the foot of the tree in a cozy hole. The crow used to guide the hare about the danger that comes towards him. Now let's read further. It was early morning one day when the crow saw the jackal wandering about the tree. Now kids, underline the word wandering right over there, stroll. S-T-R-O-L-L, stroll. The crow immediately cautioned the hare. Now kids, underline the word immediately right over there, at once. A-T at O-N-C-E, once. Underline the word cautioned right over there, alarmed. A-L-A-R-M-E-D, alarmed. Who hid himself in the hole. The jackal cleverly seated himself outside the hole, awaiting his prey. Kids, underline the word prey right over there, animal hunted for food. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. Hunted, H-U-N-T-E-D, hunted. For, F-O-R, for food, F-O-O-D, food. He thought to himself, the hare goes to the fields to seek food. Kids, underline the word seek right over there, find. F-I-N-D, find. So he is sure to come out. When he does, I will kill him and have a good meal. In this paragraph, we have read that one morning Jackal was wandering about the tree and the crow saw him. The crow immediately alarmed the hare about the danger, and the hare hid himself in the hole. The jackal sat outside the hole and was waiting for his prey. He was thinking, when the hare will come out, he will kill him and have a good meal. Now let's read further. The crow understood the jackal's plan. Now kids, underline the word plan right over there, an idea. A-N-N-I-D-E-A, idea. He said to himself, it is my duty to help my friend. Thinking so, he began to caw loudly, caw, caw, caw. His loud cawing attracted several other crows who joined the cawing. Now kids, Underline the word attracted. Right over there, fascinated. Fascinated. The crow urged them, please get rid of the jackal who is sitting under the tree. He is here to feast on my friend. Kids, underline the word urged. Right over there, influenced. INFLUENCED. In these lines, we have read that the crow understood the plan of the jackal. He started cawing loudly. His loud cawing attracted other crows who joined the cawing. The crow requested them to get rid of the jackal who wanted to eat his friend. Now let's read further. So all the crows swooped down on the jackal. Now kids, underline the word swooped. Right over there, pounced. POUNCED, pounced. They pecked at him and wounded him seriously. Kids, underline the word pecked. Right over there, to strike with the beak. TOTSTRIKE, strike. WITH with TH, the beak. BEAK, beak. The jackal ran away. The crows chased the jackal over a long distance, wounding him so severely that he pledged never to leave the forest again. Now kids, underline the word chased. Right over there, run after. RUN, run. AFTER, run after. Now kids, underline the word wounding. Right over there, hurt. HURT, hurt. Now underline the word severely. Severely means badly. BADLY, badly. The hare came out of his hole slowly. He thanked his friend the crow for saving his life. So kids, moral of the story is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. In this paragraph, we have read that all the crows come down on the jackal. They all pecked at the jackal and wounded him badly. The jackal ran away and pledged never to come back. Then the hare came out of his hole and thanked his friend for saving his life. Now I will discuss questions related to the story. First question is, who were the two best friends? Answer is, a crow and a hare were two best friends. Next question is, where did the hare live? Answer is, the hare lived in a cozy hole at the foot of the tree. Next question is, who was eyeing on the hare? Answer is, the jackal was eyeing on the hare. Next question is, why did the crow caution the hare? Answer is, the crow had seen the jackal, so he warned the hare of the danger. Next question is, what is the moral of the story? Answer is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Kids, I hope you all have understood this story. Thank you and have a nice day.